Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is Excel cell references. So in Excel we know that each and every cell has its unique address, and the cell address is the combination of column name and row number. As we know that this cell is active cell, the cell that is selected is called active cell, and its address is, we can see in the name box, it is D4. That means D is the column name and 4 is the row number. Now this is the cell address of that particular cell. We can call it cell reference also. So cell reference and cell address are the same thing. Now we will discuss about the type of cell references that we have. We have three kinds of cell references. What are they? Let me write. First one is relative, next one is absolute, and other one is mixed. So these are the three types of references. Now what are the example of these three kinds of references? Let me tell you. D4, this is a type of relative reference, and if we write dollar $D and $4, now this is called an absolute reference. And what is mixed reference? It may be $D4 or it may be $4. So any of the two may be mixed reference. We can use any of these two as mixed reference. So now I will discuss all the three types of references. For example, I am taking random numbers, as I showed you in previous video how to use random numbers. So I am taking random numbers over here. So two numbers taken. Now we are copying it and pasting it value V. Now we are adding it up, equal to this cell plus this cell. Now you can see I have selected the cell and it has taken the address of it. Now if we drag it down, we can see previously it was showing F4 G4. If we go to the next cell, it is showing F5 G5. That means the reference has been changed. It has been automatically changed. So the cell reference that automatically gets changed are called relative reference. And now let me show you. If I fix them by selecting them and pressing F4, it will add $sign onto this. And now if I click it down, drag it down, you can see all the results are showing 1 to 1. That means it is adding up only the first two cells. You can see this first two cells has been added in each and every cases. So we can conclude that these two cells has been fixed. So we can fix a cell by adding $sign to it. This is called absolute reference. If we need to add 73 with each of the numbers in this column, so what will we do? Just click that cell plus this cell, and we are making this cell fixed or absolute by pressing F4. Now what it will do, you can see this 73 has been added to all the numbers that is there in the previous column. We have made 73 fixed or absolute. Now I am coming to mixed reference. For that we are keeping it over here, and here I am taking some numbers. You can see I am taking 3, dragging it, down. We have applied border to it. Now equal to, I am taking this cell multiplied by this cell, and now what I will do is I will add dollar sign with it and dollar sign with that row number. Now I am pressing enter. It is showing the multiplication of 3 and 4, that means 12. We are dragging it down and now dragging sideways. You can see it is a table. 7 12s are 84. 84 is showing over here. So what is happening, let me explain. In this formula, E column is fixed. E column is fixed, but row number is not fixed. And in this case, column is not fixed, but row number is fixed. That means whenever we are dragging it down, what happens? Column name remains the same, but row number is being changed. You can see it is E5. In this case you can see E6. That means column name will remain the same, but the row number is being changed as we are dragging it down. And here 3 is been fixed because we are there in this column. In this column we are dragging it down only, not dragging sideways. That's why this number is not being changed, rather the row number is being changed. That means 3 is being multiplied with each and every number over here in this column that is there in E. You can say this, it is fixed, but this row number is being changed. Same thing happens over here. When I drag sideways, you can see 4 is now fixed. Okay, if I dragging it down, the column number is not fixed. That's why whenever we are dragging sideways, the column name will be changed. That's why 4 is being multiplied by 4, then by 5, by 6, by 7. So this type of reference is called mixed reference. I think all these types of cell reference are enough clear to you. That's all from Excel cell references. Thank you.